Hey Lauren, what day is it?
It's Wednesday.
No, it's hump day.
Congrats to the girls bowling team for their state runner-up performance last weekend. Emma Meade was first team All-State, Jade Easley was second team All-State, and Faith Harding earned an honorable mention. Other teammates include Gaby Bany, Madison Both, Alexis and Haylee Collins. Coaches are Dustin, Gillett, and Kristi Meade.
Attention all 6th through 11th graders. If you're interested in trying out for the 2019-2020 cheer seasons, there will be a meeting at the Learning Stairs on Monday, March 11th during your AA. If you cannot make the meeting, packets with information about tryouts will be available in the athletic office. Any questions, contact Coach Moore by email at cheerleading@bryanschools.net.
April 11th through the 13th will be the World Community Workshop at Sodders Village. This year, the topic will be Ohio, the early years, 1803 to 1845. The Rotary Club is sponsoring this opportunity, so if you would like to attend, get in contact with Mr. Neese by March 27th.
All lost and found items will be taken to GoodWill during spring break. If you have lost an item, please make sure to check the table and claim it before Friday, March 15th.
Have a great Wednesday!